In this video, I'll show you how to convert USDC into USDT on Binance. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. First thing you're going to do is open up and log into your Binance account. If you don't already have a Binance account, I'll leave you a link down below in the description that will get you $100 in free trading rebates. After you've logged into your account, you're going to go right over here to the bottom and tap on Trade. Select Convert out of the options up top. And on the From section, since we want to convert USDC into USDT, we're going to select USDC out of this list. If you don't see USDC in this list, you can simply search for it in the search bar up top and select USDC. And under To section, we're going to select USDT. If you don't see it in the list, you can search for it just like we did before. Select USDT, enter the amount of USDC you want to convert into USDT, tap on the preview, confirm the transaction within the time frame that allows, and that's how to convert USDC to USDT on Binance. If this helped you out, give the video a like and subscribe to the channel.